Hello players, I want to share with you something that's going to be very helpful for those that are struggling with kick shots. We will be going in depth on a 3-rail kick, just like the one you see here. Additionally, you're going to want to stick around to the end because I'm going to show you a bonus 2-rail kick that's going to be very helpful for your game. Before I show you how to calculate the aim point for these shots, I want to let you know of a secret about them. The two key points are speed and tip position on the cue ball. I try to maintain my consistency on speed, but I will alter tip position, as you'll soon see. So now let's take a look at the math on how to calculate the aim point for these shots. The first thing you want to do is look at where the object ball is in relationship to the nearest diamond. Beginning from 0 at the corner pocket at the far end of the table, count off each diamond to determine what diamond you're at near the object ball. And in this case, it's number 7 diamond. Note that the opposite side of the table also uses this same numeric value for each diamond. Next, pick out two numbers that add up to 7. Here, I've used 1.5 and 5.5. Next, use your cue to align between both points to see if your cue ball is close to this shot line. And here you see I'm only a half a ball off the shot line. Next, we're going to parallel shift our cue over the cue ball to establish our aim point. Then focus on a point on the cushion that you're going to be aiming your cue ball at. Then get down on the shot and make a nice smooth stroke at that point. So to avoid any confusion, I want to go through this one more time here. Look at where your object ball is in relationship to the diamond. It's very close to this diamond. We know that's number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we need the two numbers that add up to 7. 1 and 6 or 2 and 5. Well, 2 and 5 is no good because that's right here. And here it's almost a bank shot in the corner. But 1 and 6 looks really good to me. Our cue ball is pretty close to our line here, so we're just going to have to parallel shift. Now when we do this, we want to be very careful. When we do a parallel shift, we want to keep that cue oriented nice and straight. And then I'm looking at the spot on the rail right there, fixated on it, and that's what I'm aiming at. And I'm going to make a nice smooth stroke. So now let's cover something super important, and that is tip location when we go through the cue ball. Now I've got this set up so that the entry angle on this cue ball, if it hits rail ball at the same time, we should pocket the yellow in the corner. At the same time though, we look at this, the white ball is going right towards the 6th diamond. So what we've done to establish our aim point is we've counted off 1 diamond, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diamonds, so 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then we've established a position for our cue ball, which is directly in that line. I've got a paper reinforcement so we can duplicate the shot. And we're going to hit just center cue ball, and we should hit ball, rail at the same time. So important to get the speed right here too, you guys. I'm going to show you what happens if we add a half a tip of running spin after this shot. Boy, that was close, pretty close. Just didn't hit it, quite clip it enough. I think I hit rail maybe just a smidgen before. So now let's see what happens. I've got that ball marked as well. Everything's now the same, but what happens if I add that half a tip of running spin? So let me tell you where I'm aiming. Half a tip to the left, about 1 tip up from the equator, so it's follow. And I'm aiming right at that little mini traffic cone. It's going to go long. I predict that it might hit this side of the yellow or maybe just miss the yellow. Try to get the speed the same as well. Look at that. Almost clipped it. I predicted right where it would go. Why do we need to know that? Well, what happens if we plot this aim point and this ball is right there? if we add a little running spin, we'll move that cue ball a little bit down the rail more. You follow me? But what happens if it's on line? Then we hit center cue ball. Let's get back to the video. So the bonus shot I want to share with you is this one right here. Let's say you got bad on your last ball, but yet it's hanging in the corner pocket. You can't bank to it, but you can go up table and come back to pocket it. So what you're going to do here is you're going to use some top left spin, go close to that corner pocket, the top left. You don't have to overhit this, just hit it nice and smooth and a good follow through. And that's perfect. And from here we can get out. Please share this video if you found this to be helpful, as it really helps my channel and I need your help. And if you want to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. Please hit the thumbs up, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.